Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Imelda Collado.
How old are you?
I'm 35 years old, ma'am.
What is your education level?
High school graduate, ma'am.
Can you read and write English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you married or single?
Single parent, ma'am.
How many children do you have?
One, ma'am.
How old is your child?
6 years old, ma'am.
Where did you stay? In the province or here in Manila?
Here in the province.
Do you have experience before working here in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
Other country?
Here in the Philippines, ma'am.
How long you work here in the Philippines?
10 years longer, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of food?
Filipino food, ma'am.
Do you know how to take care of baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the baby you took care?
4 years old, ma'am.
Who is the baby?
My employer, ma'am.
Do you like to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to take care of elder people?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the elder people?
85 years old, ma'am.
Who is the elder people?
My grandma, ma'am.
Do you willing to help elder people to take a bath?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you car wash?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you drive a car?
No, ma'am.
Can you ride bicycle?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you finish your contract for 2 years?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke cigarettes?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of pet like dogs?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have allergies?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to garden or any knowledge in gardening?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to bring friends inside the house or any place near to the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, why do you want to work other country? Explain why.
Because my family, my child, and especially my salary because my family, only child, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.